today we are looking into the new features of Kling AI. It's an advanced AI video generation platform with cinematic quality and motion control. In this video we will focus on the new desktop app and the Kling AI Team Plan. Let's go in. So first you go on klingai.com. Here you have an overview about the tool. As you already can see here, it's perfect for cinematic quality videos just with images or a prompt. Let's dive right into it. Experience now. After signing up you come to this page here. Here you have an overview about the different features of Kling AI. You have image generation, video generation, motion control and so much more. There is also a new update with the Kling AI Team Plan now. You have already a bonus of 10,000 credits. You can use it for your team. On the bottom you can choose between the workspaces. As you can see here, you have a personal workspace, and if you have the Kling AI Team Plan, you have also team workspaces where your whole team can create different images, videos working together in one workspace. You can invite members or create more workspaces, perfect for managing your project in a big team where all members have access to all generations. To create your own workspace, just click on Create Workspace. Here you can enter your workspace name, you can invite your members, your colleague, you can also adjust the role like collaborator or admin. Just hit confirm. Now you're ready to go. Just hit your desired plan, your desired seats. And here we are in the workspace of the team. Kling AI also offers a desktop app. Just go on the bottom here, go on multi-platform app download, and you have different systems which are supported, like the desktop version. There is also an iOS and Android app. Just click here, download it and install it, and voila, here we are in the desktop app of Kling AI. You have all features available. Let's hop right into it. We wanna do some video generations, but first let's create some images. Just hit image generation. On the left you can see the model image 3.0. You can also use image references, optional, and here you enter your prompt. We wanna have a Scandinavian living room interior. We already created one, and as you can see here, it's just awesome. High quality, no deformation, realistic. Just great. You can further optimize the image, like in-paint some things, remove some things, upscale it. We want to place a character right on the couch here. So we enter the prompt of a cinematic studio portrait of a blonde woman in her mid-20s. And as you can see here, again, perfect quality. And now we want to merge these two images together. Just upload them. Now you have the references in the prompt here. Now we add our prompt. We have the prompt: the woman in image 1 should sit on the couch in image 2. Don't edit anything on the scene image, just hit generate, and seconds later we have the perfect result here. We have our living room and our character is sitting on the couch. We can take this even further. Let's generate a video out of it. The woman in the scene should stand up and, coming to the static camera, smiles and says, "Hello, how are you?" We have the result.
Hello, how are you?
And it's just perfect. The movement, the lip sync, the voice, the background music, the motion control, the camera control. You can do everything in Kling AI. The important thing is you use the Kling 3.0 on the top here. It's the top model. Here another example, we generated this image of two people sitting on a table eating something, and then we created a video based on this image with a dialogue. On the bottom left you can select the output, like it should be 1080p, 15 seconds long, the ratio and the number of outputs. We hit generate and this is the result.
Feels like this week is moving way too fast.
Yeah, but somehow still not fast enough.
Deadlines catching up?
Always, but I kind of like the chaos.
You actually enjoy it?
Only when it ends well.
The characters exactly say that what we prompted here. It's just amazing, realistic, cinematic quality, just the best you can do. We have this base scene here of two detectives in a locker room. Let's see.
Why didn't you follow the protocol?
I had no other choice.
Kind of.
As you can see, it's a multi-shot scene. You can activate the automatic multi-shot where Kling 3.0 decides when's the best to switch the camera position. You can also create custom multi-shots here by describing each shot with its lamp. Perfect for control your whole scene. And one of the best things in Kling 3.0, you can control the camera just by prompting. In this case, we have a close-up. Let's see.
We are running out of time.
We will find him.
Exactly that what we wanted, a close-up. Now for comparison For example, we have a medium shot handheld device filming. Let's see.
We are running out of time to find the source.
Then we need to calm down and check the list.
Perfect camera control here, handheld device filming. Again, lip sync, facial expression, natural, realistic, cinematic clip, easy. If we look further, here another example of a low angle shot. Let's see.
Did you find anything?
I found enough.
As you can see, you can control the camera like you want by just entering a few words. Crazy good. You don't need prompts with multiple sentences to tweak the things. Just let Kling AI decide what's the best. As for example here, we have just a prompt of two people sitting at a coffee bar, drinking a coffee, speaking about the weather. Snowstorm last week, next week hot weather. It's crazy. Let's see the result.
Do you remember that snowstorm from last week? It was terrible.
Yeah, I do. The wind was howling and the snow was everywhere.
And get this. The forecast says it will be sweltering hot next week.
It's crazy how accurate he follows the prompt. The dialogue is natural. The mouth movement, facial expression, the multi-shot, it's all there. What do you want more? You can also create 3D animation scenes like this one here. We have a bobby car race in a living room. As you can read in the prompt, we have also a camera control inserted here, and he does exactly that what we wanted. It's just crazy how easy this is. Just by describing some words, you can generate full cinematic scenes. Kling AI 3.0 also offers motion control. We have our video, the character. We can now choose the character orientation. We want to match it with a video. We can also bind a facial element here just by creating an element. We already did that. We have our woman here, which enhanced the consistency. We can also add prompts here, but we are fine. We just hit generate, and now he takes my emotion of the video and translates it on the image. As you can see here, it's just wonderful. He replaces the motion, exactly what we wanted. It's so powerful, easy to use, and that's all possible with Kling AI. If you like Kling AI, just click the link in the description to try it out. See you in the next one.